Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store blocked. To start, in the search box, enter gpedit.msc, open the utility. When you log in, click on Administrative Templates in the Computer Configuration section. Then, in Windows Components, select Store. Within the available policies, double-click on Turn off the Store application, which as you see is enabled. Now in the pop-up window, you're going to check the Not Configured option. Click Apply and OK. After this, in the search box, enter the command secpol.msc. Click on the command. There, in the pop-up window, open the Application Control Policies option. Then, open App Locker and then click on Packaged App Rules. Here, confirm that there is no rule for the store. If so, you should delete it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.